Good morning students and welcome back to the class. Let's start with the Act 2 Scene 6. Again it is in the Venice before Shylock's house as it was in the Scene 5, and here enters Grassino Salarino wearing mask for the masked party. And Grassino, this is the porch under which Lorenzo has told us to stand and wait for us. But Grassino says it is strange that he is late today. Why? Because lovers always rush to meet their beloved before time. All of you know. Salarino says the doves of Venus. Doves of Venus means the goddess of love. Goddess of love. He says that they fly 10 times faster when they are going to win over their new love. They are very crazy. Lovers are always in a greater hurry to keep the new engagement. So Grassino says that I agree with you, that is true. Who rises from the meal as hungry as when he sits down to eat? Suppose one is hungry and he will sit and eat the food continuously until the food is finished. Which horse can gallop? Gallop means run fast again over the same road on its return. In one direction he has gone with the fast speed, but while coming he will not come with the same speed. So such things are enjoyed when they are in the pursuit than in their attainment. So here they like a spendthrift. Spendthrift means the person who is spending the money lavishly. Without any reason he is spending the money. A flag-bedecked ship sails out from the harbor. One ship is moving to the sea. But after being tossed about, hugged by the rough wind due to the storm, it will not be in the same condition. The ship will be damaged by the strong wind. So Salarino says, here comes we were waiting for the Lorenzo and here he comes, and we shall talk more about this later. Now here another character joins Lorenzo. Good friends, thanks for your patience and waiting for me. And what did he say? He says, when it is your turn to steal a wife, I will wait just as long for you. Come this way, and here is the house of my father-in-law. Who is the father-in-law of Lorenzo? Shylock. So Shylock is the father-in-law of Lorenzo. Then Jessica enters in the boy's clothes, disguised as a page boy uniform. Now Jessica is saying to Lorenzo, who are you? Then Lorenzo says, you didn't recognize I am your love, Lorenzo? Jessica says, yes, it is certainly Lorenzo, truly my love. Who else do I love so much? Lorenzo says, heaven and your thoughts are witness that you are. Jessica says, please catch this casket. It is creating a problem because what was in that casket? The gold, the ducats, jewels which she has brought from her father's Shylock's house. I am glad that it is a night and that you cannot see me. I am embarrassed by wearing this boy's uniform, Jessica is telling to Lorenzo. I know love is blind and lovers cannot see small faults they commit. If they could see even Cupid. Now it is Cupid means the god of love. Earlier I told you the doves of Venus, that is the goddess of love, and Cupid is the god of love. It would be embarrassed to see me as a disguise as a boy. Now Jessica is saying that if god of love sees me, this lady in a boy's uniform, then he will be embarrassed. Okay? Lorenzo says, come down, for you will act as my torchbearer. You will be the leading me. Jessica says, what should I hold up a candle? To show my shameful dress in front of you. The dress is very light and revealing everything is visible. So why the duty of the torchbearer would expose me to all? Why should I should be concealed? Why should I take the candle and I should be revealed? My identity is revealed by the others. Lorenzo says, you are much concealed, darling, even in this charming disguise of a boy, but come down quickly for night which is supposed to hide us already slipping away. Night is moving and we have to move away. We are expected to be at Bassanio's banquet room. We have to reach at the Bassanio's room. Jessica says, I shall lock the doors, bring with me some more ducats from my house, and I will be with you soon. Graciano says, now I swear my word that really this Jessica is a gentle lady. She is not a Jew, but she is a real Christian. Lorenzo says, may I be cursed if I do not love this dearly, and she is wise if I adjust correctly. She is beautiful if in my eyes, do not deceive me. She is truthful. She is I like her because of three qualities. One is wisdom, beauty, and truthfulness, and she will always be in my heart. Now Antonio says, who is there? Now Graciano says, Signor means Lord Antonius there. Antonio says, for the shame, Graciano, where are the rest of them? Where you have gone? It is already 9 o'clock and all our friends are waiting for you. There is no mass tonight because the wind has become favorable and Bassanio will soon sail soon, so we have to move to the Belmont. And Graciano says, I am very glad. I want no other pleasure. No other pleasure means no other party. I just want to sail with you tonight. Thanks.